If you're looking for a quick and easy dinner, I have a recipe for you. This is one even your kids are gonna like, and the best part is it's ready in 30 minutes and you probably already have these ingredients in your pantry. It's the most delicious white chicken chili recipe you've ever had. Stick around. Hi, I'm Lauren with One Haven Maven, and on my channel you'll find all things home related. It's my goal to make you the best wife and mother that you can be. So if those kinds of things are things that interest you, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Okay, today I'm going to share with you the best white chicken chili recipe you have ever had. I get rave reviews from this recipe anytime I bring it anywhere or share it with someone, and so I wanted to share it with you. We're starting out with some chicken, 1 to 2 pounds of cooked chicken breast. I didn't have any actual frozen chicken breasts or anything left. All I had were these cans of chicken, so I used 2 of them, which equaled about 1 pound. There's a lot of substitutions I made in this recipe, and that's okay, just use what you have. Next, for the onion, it calls for 1 medium onion chopped, and you would saute that in oil. I was all out, so I just used 3 teaspoons of dried minced onion instead. Now is where you get a lot of your flavor. We're supposed to add 1 can of green chilies, which I also didn't have, but you know what? I had a can of Rotel, which has green chilies in it, so just as good. For our beans, you're supposed to use 2 cans of great white northern beans. I just had some white beans and some pinto beans already cooked up, so I tossed them in. The recipe calls for 1 can of chicken broth, which I guesstimated was about 14 ounces. So I measured out my water, and then I like to use this Better Than Bouillon from Costco. So I just measured out 2 teaspoons of that and threw it in there as well. It might be a little bit more than you need, but I think it gives it really good flavor. Now for all the spices, we're going to start with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and then add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, you can use fresh here if you like, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Of course, you can add more if you like a big kick. Go ahead and give everything a good stir, and then you're going to put the lid on and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. You guys, this is where the magic comes in, because you are going to add half a cup of whipping cream, and this just makes it so incredibly flavorful and creamy. In addition to that, you're going to add 1 cup of sour cream, which I didn't have, so I substituted kefir, and you know what? Look at that creamy goodness. So there you go, you guys. I hope you love this recipe just as much as we do. If you'd like to see more yummy recipes like this, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for lots more recipes and other things home related. If there's any videos you would like to see, please let me know in the comments down below, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.